Hello students, today we are going to solve second problem of cement. Question is given as the constituent of cement which is responsible for initial setting time of cement is. Now the options are dicalcium silicate, tricalcium silicate, tricalcium aluminate and all the above. Now we know that tricalcium aluminate rapidly reacts with water and generate high heat of hydration, as well as it is responsible for flash setting of the cement. So tricalcium aluminate is responsible for initial setting time of cement. So option C is the correct answer. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.